inheritance in Python. Inheritance is a mechanism in which a new class inherits properties and behavior from an existing class. It promotes code reuse and allows for creating a hierarchy of classes. So how? Let's go and remove all this we have here. Okay, I'm going to create new classes, and I will show you how to inherit that class within the other classes. So the first class I'm going to create is called animals. Okay, animal, and within this class we are going to have its constructor, and here I'm going to have only one argument, which is the name. And here we use self.name is equal to name. Okay, we have this, and the other one is let's go and create this. For example, make sound. Okay, so make sound method. Here we don't have any kind of argument, and I'm going to use pass here. The pass keyword is that it will do nothing, and it will just pass. Okay, so this is the main class. This is the super class. Okay, I'm going to have another class. Okay, down here, this class is going to be named dog, and I'm going to inherit from animals. So animal. So now you see this class is a bit different. It looks like a function because it's a child class. Okay, this dog class is child class of this one. Okay, this is the super class. This is the child class. When I move my mouse over it, it's telling me that it's a class and class of dog. How about this one? It's also a class of animal. Where is that? That is here. Okay, so this dog class inheriting from the animal class, and this animal class has the name, and also it has a method called make sound. So perfect. And down here I'm going to have something for this. Let's go and create a new method for this that is called make sound. Okay, so it's going to be make sound, and as you see that it's just return that for me like this. Okay, I'm going to remove that one, and I'm printing something here that is wolf. Okay, and also let's go create another class. This class is going to be the other one was dog, and this one is going to be cat. Okay, it's also inherited from animal. Okay, and let's go and have another one for this one. Okay, and it's also, you see that like this we can inherit that and we can use it, okay, by using the super keyword. But right now I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just print a statement here. So the cat will do something like this. Okay, and now we have these two class that looks like this, and after that we can create their instances. So let's go with dog instance. Okay, so dog instance is going to be equal to the dog class. We have it. Okay, we create its object or its instance, and it will ask for a name. So as you see, for the dog class we don't have any argument, anything for name here, but in the main class, you see the super class, it has an attribute here. Okay, it's an argument, it's called name. So now I'm providing the name here. The name for the dog is going to be body, and the other one, which is the cat instance, so it's equal to the cat class. And what is the name of the cat? It's something like this. Okay, now I created the object for these two methods. As you see, we don't have any name for the cat, we don't have any name for the dog, but we do have in the super class. Okay, so now this two inherited that from here. Okay, from the main class, which is animal. So this is one thing. The other thing is to using the inherited method. So the mix sound is also created here, and we use pass here, and we use it here, and we print something like that. So how can I do that? I have the dog instance, and then make sound, and also I have cat instance and make sound. Let's save it and let's run the program and see what is going to happen here. Okay, wolf and mew. So it is how we are going to use it. Okay, so okay, we just passed this. Okay, we can do more thing, but it is about the inheritance. Okay, it's how it will inherit something from the animal, okay, like this, by putting them within the parentheses. So it's how inheritance work with Python.